Anywho. All right, so we now know that 360 degrees represents one revolution. Oftentimes, angles are not measured only to the nearest degree, but we also want to look at subdivisions of degrees. We could certainly represent subdivisions of degrees as decimals, but there's another method as well called minutes and seconds. We're going to say that 1 degree is equivalent to 60, and this notation right here is a minute. So 1 degree equals 60, and again, this notation is a minute. And then 1 minute is going to equal 60 seconds. Okay? So essentially 1 minute is 1/60th of a degree. 1 minute equals 1/60th of a degree, and 1 second equals 1/60th of a minute, kind of like our clocks. 1/60th of a second. All right. So what we're going to do now is learn how to convert an angle from degrees, minutes, seconds notation to decimal notation, and then we'll reverse it and go from decimal notation to degree, minute, seconds notation. Deal? So let's first convert 45 degrees, 10 minutes, and 15 seconds to decimal degrees. We're just going to rewrite this as 45 degrees plus 10 minutes plus 15 seconds. And what we want to do is convert the minutes and then the seconds to decimal degrees. And we use the conversion factor. We have 10 minutes. We're going to multiply that by 1 degree over 60 minutes, because 1 degree is equivalent to 60 minutes. Agree? So for all intents and purposes, what we're doing right here is multiplying by 1. And then plus 15 seconds. I want to write that as a degree. Here I need to have my seconds cancel out. So I need to know how many seconds are in 1 degree. There's 60 seconds in a minute, and there are 60 minutes in a degree. 3,600. There's 3,600 seconds. We could do that as an aside. 1 degree is 60 minutes. Agree? And 1 minute is 60 seconds. The minutes here cancel out, so 1 degree is 3,600 seconds. Right? So 45 degrees plus, here the minutes cancel out or divide out, and we're left with just degrees. What's 10 divided by 60? It's 1/6, so it's 0.1666, blah, 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 right? Where this just repeats. Plus 15 seconds divided by 3,600 seconds. The seconds cancel out. We're left with just degrees. What's 15 divided by 3,600? So this should be 0.00416 degrees. All right. So 45 degrees plus 0.1666666 degrees plus 0.0041666666 degrees is 45.1708 333, and that continues on and on degrees. Does this make sense to everybody? By the way, there's an easy way to do this on the calculator. Want to see it? I thought so. From the home screen, you're going to type in 45, and then you see right above apps in blue it says angle. Press second apps, and then you have your notation there for degrees. Select number 1, degrees. So you should now have 45 degrees on your home screen. Then you're going to type 10. Go back to the angle menu and select number 2, minutes. So now I have 45 degrees, 10 minutes. And then our seconds was 15, correct? So 15. Now, if you went to that angle menu, you'll notice that there wasn't any seconds key up there. So I quit out of there. The seconds are actually the double quotes that you see as a second function above the, or as an alpha key above the plus sign. So you go alpha quotes for seconds. Hit enter. 45.170833333333 degrees. Make sense? So use the double quotes for your seconds. Now let's go back to our slideshow. And let's say that I had 12.87 degrees. I want to express this in degrees, minutes, seconds form. Well, to do that, I recognize that I have 12 degrees plus 0.87 degrees. Agreed? So I have 12 degrees plus 0.87 degrees times. Now I'm going to use a conversion factor to get minutes in the numerator and have my degrees divide out. So I have 12 degrees, and now perform the operation. 0.87 times 60. What do you get? 52.2, and that's now minutes. Agreed? And now I can do 12 degrees plus 52 minutes plus 0.2 minutes. And now my conversion is going to be 60 seconds divided by 1 minute. So essentially, again, I'm multiplying by 1 in disguised form. 60 seconds divided by 1 minute is 1. So what's 0.2 times 60? 12. So I now have that 12.87 degrees is 12 degrees, 52 minutes, and 12 seconds. But there's an easier way to do it. Want to see it on your calculator? Back to the calculator. You're going to type in, what was the angle? 12.87. Then you go to your angle menu and look at number 4, DMS, degrees, minutes, seconds. So you should have 12.87 convert to DMS, degrees, minutes, seconds. Hit enter. 12 degrees, 52 minutes, 12 seconds.